Today we talk about how can you enable security notifications on your eToro app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So when you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications. So when you click on notifications, you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on account details. You come here to security notice here, click in this sign like you see. So here, just click on it here. So like you see this color show for us, that's means security notice notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.